don't do that.
Why not?
Because we're in bed.
And
We should pretend we're naked. Hurry up. Okay.
Let's go.
Thank you, Mel, for the wonderful time yesterday. Last night.
Bye, Mel.
Bye, Mel.
Can you go shower now so we have to
Yes.
move to ourselves?
okay.
Why are we listening to this?
I don't know. They are in bed.
Yeah, we're naked.
Naked. No, they are not.
Yeah, we
They
are.
have clothes. See, Vika? She has clothes. And she also.
Yeah. Ah,
Okay.
bye, Mel.
Bye.
Bye.
Why are you kicking me out?
Because we're supposed to bathe first.
You
We can't take
too.
off our clothes if the camera is on.
Yeah. Oh, you people, can't you see? Can't you see?
I wonder why we're watching this.
I'm not sure either. Bye, Mel. Go and bathe.
Okay, I will.
Ooh, I love this
Yay.
song.